In this video you will learn on how to reduce video size without affecting the quality, like this. Stay tuned.
You're watching Mung Jose Online TV. Here's your host, June Agan.
Greetings. I'm June Agan. Welcome to Mang Jose Online TV. If you're new in my channel, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified to our new video. Did you experience a tiresome and boring waiting for your long uploading video in the internet? One main reason of your long waiting video uploading is you have a large size of your video. Sometimes the internet won't accept your video. Now, here's the solution. Shrink, compress, reduce the size of your video. Did you know that you can shrink the size of your video without affecting the quality? I'll show you how. First, open your internet browser, then type Handbrake. Select Handbrake open source video transcoder, or https://handbrake.fr. You can click Download Handbrake. If you are using Mac OS or Linux, click Downloads tab. And if you are using Windows 10 or later, you can download here. Let's start by opening our installed Handbrake software. Click Handbrake icon. You can click File, or drag your video and drop here. Let's drag this video and drop here. Then click Web Optimized. Click Video tab in the upper portion. Click Constant Frame Rate. In Quality, notice in Constant Quality is 22. Let's change that into 23. Watch my cursor. Then click Start Encode. It's done. I'll show you the result. Notice the quality of the video.
Welcome to Mang Jose Online TV. Ako si Popoy. Dahil napanood na natin ang basic editing, so pwede na nating pag-aaralan ang iba.
Then look at the size of the video. Hope this video is of great help. If you have any questions or suggestions, kindly leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Godspeed. Bye.
Thank you for watching Mang Jose Online TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you on next episode.